I'm going to do a very requested video. Lots of my friends wanted me to do a makeup tutorial, so I just thought of a very simple yet glam makeup, and I think this look, like a brown smoky glam look, is the easiest look that I can think of. So this is the look that I'm gonna do. I really hope that you will like this look, and I tried to make it very easy, and I have also mentioned all the products in the description down below so that you can also check the products that I'm using. And let's get started.
So guys, firstly I'm going in with the face mist. It is by MAC Cosmetics. It is called Fix Plus. Just spray it all over your face and then apply a moisturizer. I'm just applying a gel based moisturizer. You can take any moisturizer according to your skin and massage it really well into your skin to hydrate your skin properly, and then you need to massage it like in upward motions like I am doing. Make sure that your skin is really well moisturized before you start your makeup. Then I'm gonna go with the eye cream. I'm using Fast Response Under Eye Cream from MAC Cosmetics. I use it under my eyes and even on top of my eyelids. It is really nice if you have like dark circles or puffiness under your eyes. It will really help you with that, and it is also very important to hydrate your under eye since we use a lot of concealers as well. You just need to massage your under eye with your ring finger. So now I'm starting off with the MAC foundation. I'm using Studio Fix Fluid Foundation from MAC Cosmetics. And in order to blend everything together, I'm using the Pack Beauty Blender. I'm just pressing the product in and blending everything out. And guys, remember one thing, that never drag the beauty blender. You just need to bounce the sponge all over your face to blend it smoothly, and it gives you like an even finish and very natural finish as well. So guys, now moving on to the concealer. Today I'm using a Derma concealer from Kryolan, and I'm actually using a darker shade to cover up any imperfections. I'm using it under my eyes with a fluffy brush, and I'm just blending everything out. And then I'm gonna be using the same concealer near my lip area as well. Wherever you see any imperfections or a little dark area, you can just apply any dark concealer and then just blend everything out. Now to brighten up my face, I'm using a lighter shade of concealer and applying it under my eyes, on my forehead, nose, and then blending everything out with the beauty blender. Now to set everything in place, I'm using Inglot Loose Powder, and it is the matte finish loose powder. I'm just applying it under my eyes and all over my face. Moving on to the eyebrows now, I'm just brushing my eyebrows with a spoolie brush, and then I'm using Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. I'm just starting off with outlining my eyebrow and then just filling it in. I'm using a darker shade for the tail of my eyebrow, and I don't really use any separate shades for the front. And whatever is left on my brush, I'm just gonna brush it out. Now I'm just repeating the same steps on the other eyebrow as well. Now I'm just dusting off the Access Loose powder and just blending everything in. Onto the bronzer now. I'm using MAC bronzer and I'm applying it on the jawline, cheekbones, and on the sides of my nose as well. Moving on to the blush now. I'm using a Wet n Wild blush and applying it on the apple of the cheeks and even a little bit on the nose as well. And I'm using the highlighter from Maybelline. It's called the Master Chrome Highlight. It's really intense, using it on the high points. Now moving on to the eyes, I'm using a Morphe palette and I'm taking a warm brown shade, and I'm using this shade as a transition shade and just dusting it all over the eyelids. And I'm going to take a darker shade of brown and apply it on the outer corner and on the lower lid as well. And whatever is left, I'm just going to flick it out. And then I'm taking a shimmer shade and applying it on the eyelids with my finger. Now to create a classic wing eyeliner, I'm taking this beautiful liner by Lakme, and I really like the brush of this eyeliner. It is really precise and it gives you like a matte finish. Just apply a thin layer near your eyes and then create a wing. Now moving on to the lower lashes, I'm using a black eyeshadow and just applying it on my lower lashes and blending it in. I'm doing the same thing on the other eye as well, and then I will apply a kohl pencil. I'm using a MAC kajal. You can take any one, whichever you have. Moving on to the mascara now, I'm using a MAC mascara, and today I'm applying a very light coat of mascara since I'm gonna be applying eyelashes. But I really love the formula. It just gives you volume and the perfect curl for your lashes, and it stays for the whole day. I'm gonna go with the beautiful lip liner by MAC in the shade Boldly Bare, and today I'm going in with the Inglot lipstick. It is a very good formula and it is very lightweight and really pigmented as well. This is a beautiful nude shade. The shade looks so nice on almost all the Indian skin tones, like the perfect nude. And then I'm just setting my makeup with the Fix Plus from MAC Cosmetics. Now moving on to the eyelashes, I'm taking these beautiful lashes from PAC, and even the glue is also from PAC Cosmetics. These are like the perfect wispy lashes. Guys, make sure that you measure the eyelash according to your actual eye, and then apply a very thin layer of glue. And then just stick it, first the center, then the corner, and then the front of the eyelash. And then it will stay for like the whole day. So guys, I'm done with this makeup now. I really hope that you like this brown glam look.
Watching the video, guys. I really hope that you all have enjoyed the video. Also, please let me know in the comments down below what you want me to do next. Do you want me to do another makeup tutorial or a fun video? Let me know in the comments below. Also, please, if you have enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram as well. I will see you in my next one. Till then, goodbye.